Have you ever opened your browser to check just one thing and suddenly an eye is gone? Or maybe you are worried about your kids accidentally clicking on the wrong side of the internet. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of blocking annoying and distracting websites on Android once and for all.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Flow with Ken. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. For returning viewers, please like, comment and share this video as I'm about to unveil a real game changer. The support means the world to me.
Hi there, I'm Ken. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of blocking annoying and distracting websites on Android. These websites are literally engineered to keep us scrolling with constant notifications, tempting headlines, and endless feeds. And let's be honest, self-control isn't just enough. Before you know it, your focus is gone and your mental health is exhausted. However, this isn't just about improving your productivity. It's about reducing stress, protecting your attention, and creating healthier relationship with the internet. The internet is where you have the control, not your phone. Now imagine trying to get a real work done, but social media such as Facebook and TikTok keeps pulling you back in, or handling your phone to a child and worried about what they might stumble across the internet. This frustration has so far, but here's the good news. Blocking websites on Android is easier than you think. There are several ways to do this. Some people use technical method by editing the host file. This method could be effective on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS systems. In a nutshell, this method is not beginner friendly because you might edit or delete a necessary file which could stop a service from working on your system. While some people edit the host file, others make use of third-party apps that blocks websites across all browsers and has extra control like scheduling and restrictions. After testing different options, the tool I recommend and I'll be using in this video is BlockSite. BlockSite is a website blocking app designed to help you stay focused and protect your browsing experience. It allows you to block websites or entire categories such as social media, adult content, and or shopping sites across all browsers on your smartphone. What makes BlockSite to stand out is its simplicity and ability. You can block websites instantly or ask schedule for school or work hours, and even password protect the app so settings can be changed impossibly. Whether you are trying to boost productivity or keep your kids safe online, BlockSite gives you the control without any technical stress. Now, anytime you visit that website, BlockSite steps in and stops it. No willpower required. And here's the best part, scheduling. You can block these sites on work or school hours and automatically enable them later. This makes you get your work done first, then enjoy your favorite sites guilt-free as a reward. You can password protect the app, which is especially useful in setting this up on your kids' device or want to avoid these settings changing easily. smoothly. And just like that, you are taking back the control of your browsing experience. With the right app, a few settings, YouTube guide, blocking annoying or unsafe websites on Android is quick, effect-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tips, and check out my other videos. You can also drop your thoughtful comments on this video or tell me what topic. Don't forget to share this video. It gives me to keep pushing, to keep putting out a tutorial video for you. I will see you in my next video. Stay tech savvy and keep the tech flowing. Of blocking annoying and distracting websites on Android.